Hello, all you beautiful and amazing people. It's me again, Jennifer Ziliotto, here on my color journey, talking about the color red this week, the root chakra. And because it's Friday, I thought we could do something kind of fun and talk about a red cocktail. In fact, a mocktail, because like probably many of you, I am doing dry January this month, and it's been actually really great. And one way to kind of set off that moment of wanting a glass of wine at the end of the day is I've been making mocktails for Bruno and I, and we've been addicted to a virgin bloody Caesar. So I'm going to show you today how I make a virgin bloody Caesar. It's so tasty. It's so refreshing. It actually is quite filling. And of course, it is the color red. So rebalancing our root chakra. If you missed my video on Wednesday about introducing the root chakra, then you may want to go back and check that out so that you're up to date with what I'm doing here in my wonderful world of Jennifer Ziliotto. So let's get started with this delicious bloody, well, virgin bloody Caesar. So I've started out with a rock glass, of course, with some ice in it. Now, I don't love the taste of celery salt around the rim. I don't really love that, so I tend not to do it. But of course, by all means, go ahead and do that if you like that. I start off with some horseradish, and I do about a teaspoon per glass. We really like the bloody Caesars nice and spicy, so I tend not to chimp out on the spice. Speaking of the celery salt, I also want to add some celery salt because I feel like it gives such a good flavor. And I do probably about quarter teaspoon, half a teaspoon, depending on how big the glass is. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of hot sauce. We tend to do, like I said, we like it spicy. So we have this hot sauce that's Ghost. So it's really quite spicy. But if you don't like it spicy, then by all means Tabasco, or even omit it if you don't like it spicy at all. Or even just a little bit of cayenne pepper I think would be good. I do about 3 to 4 drops of this super spicy Ghost sauce. Then the Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire, however anybody says it, Worcestershire, such a weird word. Anyway, I do about 4 drops of this as well. Maybe 5 to be a little bit generous. And then, of course, I cannot forget the lemon juice. This, I feel, is really important and adds that really nice little kick at the end. So all that goes in to start, and then we add our fabulous Clamato juice, the Canadian Clamato juice, such a great invention. Pour that to the top. Give this a stir because I want it nice and mixed, especially that celery salt. Oh, and there's one other ingredient that I forgot that I find is really important. And that is a good grinding of black pepper. I tend to be quite generous with the black pepper because, like I said, I like it nice and hot. Then, of course, we want a beautiful celery stick. Do we want all that sticking out? Maybe not. Maybe it's a bit much. The fun thing I find about the Bloody Caesars or the Virgin Caesars is the garnish. So I've been playing around with the garnish a little bit, and I've come up with something that I really like. I think I saw this at a bar somewhere that they used cornichon, and I thought, what a fun idea. And it actually does add a really nice flavor. So I do a peak with a cornichon and then a couple of olives, just to make it nice and fancy so we feel like we're really getting a treat. And you know, Bruno was telling me that this is a big trend, the garnish for bloody Caesars. There's like Sometimes they do a little shrimp, which I think is a really fun idea. Or he was saying that people are doing little mini sliders or mini grilled cheese sandwiches. Seems crazy, but a lot of fun. Anyway, look at how beautiful this looks. Yummy. And best of all, it is the color red, so full of immune system boosting qualities, happiness qualities, vitality qualities, and all around happiness in a glass. So cheers to you. Delicious. Love it, love it, love it. Not only am I starting my Friday night off well, having a lovely mocktail, but I am balancing my root chakra at the same time. Yummy. So there you go. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. And of course, for more ideas, for more inspiration, or just simply to see what I'm doing, you can continue to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram.